Want to know the secret to creating TikTok product videos that go viral without spending hours editing? What if I told you that you can create videos that get thousands, if not millions of views, without you even lifting a finger? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. With the power of AI, you can automate your TikTok product video creation and get insane results. In this video, I'll show you how. Let's face it, creating engaging product videos for TikTok can be a daunting task. You need to come up with a concept, script, film, edit, and optimize for the algorithm. Let's not forget, it's time-consuming, and if you're not careful, your video can get lost in the algorithm. But that's not all. There's also the risk of copyright infringement to worry about. Have you ever spent hours creating a video, only to have it taken down due to copyright issues with the music or images used? Or maybe you've had to spend extra time and money to obtain the necessary licenses and permissions. It's a hassle that can be a major headache. And then there's the issue of ensuring that your video complies with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. It's a challenge for many creators. But what if you could create videos in minutes, not hours? What if you could create videos that not only engage your audience, but also drive sales? What if you could automate the whole process? The truth is, creating engaging product videos for TikTok is not just about having a good idea or a big budget. It's about understanding what works and what doesn't on the platform. And that's where AI comes in. But I know what you're thinking. Is AI-generated content any good? The answer is, it's getting better every day. In fact, some of the most popular TikTok videos are created using AI.
But don't take my word for it.
Here are examples of product video, generating over thousands of views, and it was generated with AI. Here are similar examples of product videos generated using AI. Let's just watch this to check out the quality of the product video.
Brace yourself for this supernova. The behemoth flashlight that shines with an enormous 200,000 lumens is here. The unmatched Immolent MS32 is the brightest flashlight out there. Dark paths and pitch black caves are nothing for this beast. With its smart OLED display, you can easily navigate its brightness level, battery life.
With the power of AI, you can automate your TikTok product video creation and get insane results. Now, Creatify.ai is one of many AI tools that helps you create viral TikTok product videos in minutes. With Creatify.ai, you can create high-quality videos that drive sales without needing to be a video editing expert. So how does it work? Well, I'll show you an example. Let's say I want to create a video for this multi-collagen powder product, which is one of the current top-selling product on TikTok and Instagram. With Creatify.ai, I can create a professional and engaging product video in just a few minutes. First, I need to copy the link to the product. This link can be from the product's page on the company's website, Amazon, TikTok Shop, or any other online marketplace. Once I have the link, I can paste it into Creatify.ai. Next, I click on the Analyze URL option in Creatify.ai. This is where the magic happens. Creatify.ai's AI-powered algorithm scans the product listing, pulling basic details and visuals of the product to craft several script options. This process takes only a few seconds. Examine the scraped media and retain only the best assets. Remove any unnecessary or unwanted media, so the AI utilizes only top-quality content. Upload additional media not found on your website to enhance the quality of the video. Click on Next to be taken to the video settings page. Here, you have the option to choose the media platform where you'll be posting your video. Select the video aspect ratio based on the social media platform you chose above. Then, choose the video duration, again, based on the platform where you'll be posting. A 15-second duration is most effective for meta platforms, while 15 to 30 seconds are optimal for TikTok. By specifying your target audience here, you can refine the AI script writing to tailor the tone of voice that resonates with your intended viewers. In this case, I will just leave it blank and then click Next. After a few seconds, Creatify will now give me 4 different video script options to choose from. I can generate more scripts by clicking here if I choose. Each script is addressing the product from a different angle, making the video generation unique and hence copyright-free. I can edit any of the scripts by hovering my mouse over it and clicking on the Edit feature. I also have the option to upload my own generated video script, which is very much recommended since I can quickly create a converting product script using ChatGPT. However, in this case, we will just roll with the options provided. After selecting the script, you can further customize the video by selecting a visual style that resonates with your product or channel. Here, you can pick your favorite avatar or let the AI choose the best match for you. You also have the option to upload your own customized avatar here. Click again on Next below to move to the next step. Creatify will now use my chosen script and avatar to generate a preview of the video. But that's not all. Creatify.ai also provides a range of customization options to make my video stand out. I can change the voice of my character to any of the AI human voices, enable or disable the selected background sound. The editor option is also a highlight for customizing my video, as I can use it, just like any video editing app, to add or remove files and tweak other options as needed. I can change the background music, add text overlays, and even customize the colors and fonts to match my brand. The best part is, Creatify.ai is incredibly easy to use. I don't need to have any video editing experience to create a professional-looking video. The interface is intuitive, and the AI does all the hard work for me. I can create a video in minutes, not hours, and I can create multiple videos in the time it takes to create one traditional video. Now let's look at the numbers. Creating a video the traditional way can take hours, even days. I need to write a script, film the footage, edit the video, and optimize it for the algorithm. And even then, there's no guarantee that my video will perform well. With Creatify.ai, I can create a video in minutes, not hours, and I can track my video's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize my marketing strategy. So, if you want to create viral TikTok product videos that drive sales without spending hours on content creation, sign up for Creatify.ai today. They have 4 different plans, including a free plan that gives you 10 credits, which is enough to create 2 videos. Once I'm satisfied with the preview, I can hit the render button to produce the final video. That will cost me about 5 Creatify credits with a watermarked video. However, I can also upgrade to a paid plan to get unlimited credits and remove the watermark. Now let's check the video we just created using Creatify.ai.
They say beauty comes from within, and they're right, especially with something as transformative as micro-ingredients multi-collagen peptides powder. When my hair began falling out, my self-esteem plummeted. This blend of collagen types with biotin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid didn't just restore my hair, but revived the way I felt about myself. Experience the same rejuvenation. Embrace a new you today.
As you can see, the video is engaging, informative, and looks professionally made. And the best part is, it was created in just a few minutes using Creatify.ai. With Creatify.ai, I can create high-quality product videos that drive sales without needing to be a video editing expert.